was interviewed after his iconic performance at the Hitman concert with David Foster. He revealed that his performance of All By Myself wasn't really part of what's originally planned.
Medyo nagugulat pa rin po ako kasi to be honest, hindi po siya planado yung performance with Sir David. Bigla na lang pagsampa kanina during rehearsal, pinatry niya po yung song and then sabi niya kung gusto ko daw po i-perform tonight. Tapos hanggang sa ayun po, natuloy po yung performance. Medyo until now, di pa rin po nakakapaniwala sa mga nangyari. But always thankful naman po and happy sa naging result ng performance.
His rendition of Chariz's All By Myself version was absolutely incredible. That David Foster himself was amazed. SB19's vocal coach, Brennan Espartinez, was there to help Stell and shared some happenings before Stell's performances.
Because, don't be surprised. I expected what happened to happen. Parang ganun yung sabi ko. Kasi, kumbaga, imposible hindi siya ma-notice eh. Soundcheck. Magka-soundcheck ka, tapos yung mga piyesa mo, pang baragan, yung pang buwis buhay ba. So yun, they rehearsed. Actually, yung rehearsal siguro a few runs lang kasi pagdating ko, yun nga, medyo sabi niya, coach, yung ganito, may part lang na, yung sa dulo, yung kay Charis kasi na version yung ginawa niya eh. Yung akit lang ng notes, ganyan. Parang natataranta siya na na pressure syempre kasi biglaan lang yun eh. So 'di ba? Kahit ako siguro. Sabi ko, you got this." And ayun, he was amazing. If nakita niyo yung post ng karamihan and yung video from my point of view, hanip talaga. Tapos yung dulong note, diba? More. Sabi ko, "Di, kaya mo pang itaas yan, boy." Sabi ko, taas mo ganun. Anymore. Ang dali niyang ginawa, effortless. Ayun, sabog yung araneta, sabog lahat. Sabi ko, yun. That was the money note. Yun talaga yun. Sabi ko, "Shia!" Grabe. So super proud. And to think, isa pa lang siya sa 5. Ang dami pang pasabog ng 5 this year. Sobrang dami pang kailangan abangan. So yun lang. Yun yung backstory that I know from my point of view. Hello, Kelly. Yes, and